In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Gmail password in case you've forgotten it. This step-by-step guide is designed to be easy to follow and will help you regain access to your account in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to g.co/recover. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter the Gmail address for the account you're trying to recover. Type your address carefully to avoid any typos, as this could delay the process. After entering your email address, go ahead and click Next. This will take you to the account recovery page where there are several options for verifying your identity. If you can't remember your password, look for the option to try another way. This link is crucial, especially if you don't have immediate access to other recovery options like a phone number. At this point, one of the easiest routes is using your recovery email. Google will send a 6-digit code to the recovery email address associated with your account. It's essential to have access to this secondary email address as it acts as a safety net in situations like this. Head to your recovery email inbox and look for the email from Google containing the code. This sometimes ends up in your spam or promotions folders, so be sure to check those if necessary. After you find the code, return to the recovery page and enter it carefully where prompted. This step is vital for Google to confirm that you're the account owner. Once you've entered the right code and it's verified successfully, Google will then allow you to proceed to the next crucial step, creating a new password. When creating your new password, make sure it's something both secure and memorable. A strong password typically combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a password manager to safely store your passwords if this sounds overwhelming. After setting your new password, take a moment to write it down or securely save it to prevent future issues. And that's it, you've successfully reset your Gmail password and regained access to your account. Remember, keeping your recovery options updated and accessible is always a wise choice to simplify the process if you need to do this again. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. If you found the guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.